we have to estimate this number using a power series expansion. We will be using this equation, and here you notice that x in absolute value must be less than 1. This means that 1 plus x must be between 0 and 2. So this means that under a radical sign we must have a number which is less than 2. But this is clearly not the case here, so we must rewrite this. One way to do this is to write this as the 7th root of 2 to the power 7 times 2 to the power minus 6. And of course this is equal to 2 times the 7th root of 2 to the power minus 6. And this is equal to 2 times the 7th root of 1 over 64. And 1 over 64 is clearly between 0 and 2. So we can use this equation. But one thing to notice that we must have this form, so 1 plus something under the radical, and this means that we have to further rewrite this. So from here we get that this is equal to 2 times the 7th root of 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 over 64. And this is equal to 2 times 1 plus minus 63 over 64 to the power 1 over 7. And now we can use this equation with alpha being 1 over 7 and x being minus 63 over 64. So this will be 2 times sum, n goes from 0 to infinity, and inside the sum we have 1 over 7, choose n, times minus 63 over 64 to the power n. And now we must take the first 5 terms to estimate this number. So this will approximately be 2 times, well, the first one is always 1, the second one is always alpha times x, so it will be 1 over 7 times minus 63 over 64. The third one is 1 over 7 times minus 6 over 7 over 2 factorial times minus 63 over 64 squared. The next one will be 1 over 7 times minus 6 over 7 times minus 13 over 7, and this all over 3 factorial, and then we have to multiply this by minus 63 over 64 to the power 3, and the last one will be 1 over 7 times minus 6 over 7 times minus 13 over 7 times minus 20 over 7, and this is over 4 factorial, and we must multiply this by minus 63 over 64, and we take the this to the power 4. So this is our expansion.